So we already just got done labeling 31 boxes. It's about to ship to Amazon. These right here is my first product that's already selling. This is my new product. But my one tip is that always try to do it by air. Find products to do it by air because this is a hassle. I could have found like a couple products and got it going already, but I spent a lot of money on this, so I need to label it, ship it in. So that's my tip for you guys. Alright, so that's just a little tip for you guys. But today's video, I'll be telling you guys a method that I learned when I went to Texas, where they're doing a Amazon event. And I was talking to one of the speakers, and he was killing it, making 200, 300K a month. And my brother actually asked him, how much or how do you get the best pricing from your suppliers? And it's a funny answer he gave us, but it actually is something that works and what he's actually done. And so, well, the first thing on top of what I've learned on that is that first you ask them all the MOQs, which is the minimal order quantity. So you ask them how much is it for 0 to 500, 501 to 1,000, 1,001 to 2,000, and and then you just do like 5,000 plus and tell them to give you all the pricing for that. So after they give you all that pricing, what you do next? Once they send you that, you try to negotiate for, or you tell them that you tell them that the price of 5,000 plus it's still too much, and you just say no, that's too much for our team, and then you just see what they say. Then okay, we can lower it, and then after they give you that price, you just keep saying no, keep saying no, keep saying no, until basically you go to the very bottom of it, and then um, you can even go even lower than that. For example, it's a at first it starts at, or for example, a 5,000 plus MOQ will be, let's say, like $5, and then you negotiate. Oh, like $5 is too much. This is you'll be typing them. You'll be like, $5 is too much, and then they'll be like, okay, we do 450, and then you say 450 is still too much. $4 still too much, and then they'll be like, give me a price, and then that's when you can throw them a better price, or you can just negotiate a price that you feel is best. Make sure that you have a good profit margin, which is also one of the mistakes that I did when I first started. I didn't have a better profit margin, so it really kills you when you do PPC, which is pay per click. But yep, that's a very easy trick to get the best pricing. Is basically just keep saying no. A lot of people be like, well, wouldn't that ruin the relationship with the supplier? But I mean, suppliers, they negotiate all the time. They love to negotiate. They basically give you the highest price they really can, or like a medium price, because they know that a lot of people, they were gonna negotiate. There's like a feather going in there. Yeah, but just keep saying no, and then because they want your business, their suppliers. Without people buying their stuff, obviously they're not gonna have. Um, you guys see that thing going? Yeah, but yeah, just keep saying no, and you'll get the best pricing. It's kind of, when I first heard of the strategy, I'm like, oh, that's not good. But once I did it, you'll get the best pricing, and just try it. Let me know how it goes. Before the video actually ends, I wanted to say, even though you're asking for example, 5,000 MOQ, you don't necessarily need to buy that amount of units. Basically, you're just showing the supplier. Basically, that shows the supplier that you're a serious customer, and down the road, you're looking to sell, or you're looking forward to ordering about 5,000 units when your business starts going up more. Yeah, so like I said, some suppliers might even say like, "Oh, we don't give you guys that quantity because so and so." You just tell them that you're looking to expand this business big, and you want possibly in the future to have a high MOQ, and then I mean, basically they'll just tell you the price for that, and even if you buy 500, 200, you can just negotiate for that price. Uh, yeah, so I just want to clear that up. I didn't want anybody to be confused about that. So, yep. Thank you guys for watching again, and just like, comment, subscribe if you guys want more tips, and turn on the bell if you guys want to be the first one to hear about the tips. All right, see you guys.